Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to the Fob Shop. Today I'm going to show you how I built a Fallout style miniature smoker. Y'all check this out. Don't want to miss it. Be sure to like and subscribe.
Alright, so here's the inspiration. Here's the big smoker. And then right here is the micro smoker.
Okay, so we got most of the raw material cut to length. I still have a little bit of work to do on the angle iron, but super boring stuff to watch. I just wanted to get to the point of welding it up and showing you guys that you can just do stuff. This is a little bit of an artistic project. It's not going to be super useful. Maybe 1 or 2 hot dogs, a personal burger.
Barb, keep it down. Those are my personal burgers.
Randy, your burgers are the Parks burgers now.
Barb, end of discussion.
But it's just something fun, work on your skills, and just try something new.
Turn around. Alright, test it.
Step with it. so I think we're finally done. We got the smoker box, we got the grill station. Time to go for a test run.
All right, so here's the inspiration. Here's the big smoker. And then right here is the micro smoker. We're gonna test it out. And of course, lint. A little squirt never hurt. So this is just the quick burn in. We're going to, look at that. We're gonna get all the paint off, weld marks, all that stuff. Then we'll cook some burgers on it next time. Like and subscribe to see the next video.